Hey everyone, I'm back. For my next video, I'm going to be opening this. A Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG Power Cube, which contains 5 rare cards and 35 common. Which cards exactly? Don't know, but we're about to find out now. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes. So how do I... Well, there it goes. Oh my god. Yeah, sorry about that. Look, this is the first time I've actually had to open this power cube, so don't blame me if it took a while. Alright? First, need to get these out of here. Takes care of that. Now let's see what cards we got. Alright, first up we have Horse of the Floral Knights. Yep, first edition. Oh. Ice Knight from Yu-Gi-Oh! GX. Alright. Artifact Durandal. First edition. Alien Shock Trooper M-Frame, first edition. Performapal Gentrude, first edition. Clavkeys, the Magic Key Sky Blaster. Ooh. Alvain, the Essence of Vanity. First edition. A fusion tuner monster. Carpeponica, Mystical Beast of the Forest. First edition. Majestic Absorption. First edition. Duncan Sioux Shipyard, Seaside Supper Spot. First edition. Despia Theater of the Branded, first edition. Glacier Aquamador, first edition. DDD Different Dimension Derby, first edition. Gunkin Sioux Ship Daily Special, first edition. Sambel the Starbonder, first edition. Fury of Kairushin, first edition. Heavenly Dragon Circle, first edition. Infernoble Knight Captain Roland, first edition. Dogmatica Theo the Iron Punch, First edition. Horn of Oliphant, first edition. Megalith Full, first edition. Super Heavy Samurai Scarecrow, first edition. Drill Driver Vespinado, first edition. Junk Sleep, first edition. Red Potent, first edition. Unauthorized Boot Up Device, first edition. Laundry Trap, first edition. Ice Jade Acti, first edition. A Magic Key Locking, first edition. Threshold Borg, first edition. Starry Night Orbitail, first edition. Mimicking Maneater Bug, oof, first edition. Flu Wanderies and Token, first edition. Heritage of the Light, first edition. Flip Frozen, first edition. Beat Trooper Assault Roller, first edition. Gunkin Suship Shirao Rauo. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the last one. Right. First edition. Mech Cavalier Avram, Garda Casto. Don't know what that means. Right. First edition, yeah. Pico Falena Insector, first edition. And finally, True Castella Fioritura. Wait a minute. Oh my god. The last three cards, they're in Spanish. Look. Yeah, they're in Spanish. At least these are. Holy crap. Yeah, anyway, hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Also, if you live anywhere within Devil's Lake and are interested in buying my cards, let me know. I know what you're thinking. Why not do it on eBay? I've tried it, and so far, no luck. Yeah, apparently there's a rule on eBay. As you already know from my last few, from like a couple videos ago, there's a rule on eBay apparently that if someone buys something from you and it turns out the buyer's not that far from where you live, if you want, you can just hand the package to them in person. So yeah, this is hardly any different. So yeah, if you're interested, let me know. Have a nice day.